Welcome to the user interface of the PathoTHREAT tool. The user, which in our case is a first responder in the headquarters, has the option to report a new emergency event. Here, the user fills in some generic information and proceeds to start reporting the emergency. In the Event Description tab, the user fills in the type of event, in this case an earthquake, the severity level, the affected area type, and name. Finally, in the lower section, there is an option for the user to describe the event. In the next tab, we see that some additional information needs to be filled in that will help the PathoTHREAT tool to be as informative as possible. We see the customer complaints, the infrastructure, and the laboratory analysis. The more the user can fill in at this point, the better the results will be in the end. At this point, we see that the information that the user has just filled in is in the general description section, whereas for the impact assessment and control options, the information is missing. The user clicks on the button and moves to the next tab, where he sees similar past events generated from the PathoTHREAT database. The similarity percentage of each past event corresponds to the input of the user in the Event Description tab. The user then selects the past events that are relevant to the emergency contamination event and then clicks the Next button. With the assistance of the decision support system, the user can have an overview of the collected information. Since there is a chance that some of the information is not relevant to the user's case, he has the option to modify the plan before he can finalize it. Finally, the user sees in the last tab of the PathoTHREAT tool the impact assessment and control actions with respect to the emergency event. All this information was generated from the PathoTHREAT database with the assistance of artificial intelligence extraction techniques and the decision support system.